6 kids around a lantern glow, sand in our hair, salt on our clothes. You tied your boat to that broken tree, said, "Come on, kids, come walk with me." Little sis on your hips still small, her mama's dress hanging on the wall. You tried to smile through the smoke and grief, ashes in the yard from the old dry leaves. You're the man of the reef, Dad, barefoot king of this coral land. Calloused hands, but you touch so kind, held our world when it came untied. You taught us how to stand in the breaking waves, how to bend like the palm, how to be brave. I'm your child, and that's my belief. You're my hero, man of Reef. Every dawn we'd cross that sand, rusty tin in my little hand, picking fallen nuts from the crooked roads, smoke curling where the trade wind blows. You'd read those pages late at night, strange long names, faraway lights, stories from a world past the ocean line. But your whole heart stayed here with mine. You're the man of the reef, Dad, barefoot king of this coral land. Calloused hands, but your touch so kind, held our world when it came untied. You taught us how to stand in the breaking waves, how to bend like the palm, how to be brave. I'm your child, and that's my belief. You're my hero, man of the reef. Auntie's laughing in the cookhouse shade, sharing fish and tea, saying it's okay. They stitched our uniforms, combed our hair, filled the empty places with their care. Then one by one we left this shore, big island buses, high school doors. You sat alone in that quiet home, till you chose you were done being lone. You're the man of the reef, Dad, barefoot king of this coral land. Calloused hands, but your touch so kind, held our world when it came untied. You taught us how to stand in the breaking waves, how to bend like the palm, how to be brave. I'm your child, and that's my belief. You're my hero, man.